Solar System. Planets and stars size comparison. There are 26 smallest to biggest planets. Radius is from the center of the circle to the circle's edge. The diameter is edge to edge with the line going through the radius. Diameter is twice the length of the radius. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt that lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Its diameter is approximately 945 kilometers, making it the largest of the minor planets within the orbit of Neptune. Pluto is a dwarf planet in the Kuiper belt, a ring of bodies beyond Neptune. It was the first Kuiper belt object to be discovered. Pluto was discovered by Clyde Tombaugh in 1930 and was originally considered to be the ninth planet from the Sun. Eris is the most massive and second largest dwarf planet known in the Solar System. It is also the ninth most massive known body directly orbiting the Sun, and the largest known body in the Solar System not visited by a spacecraft. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the Solar System. Its orbital period around the Sun of 88 days is the shortest of all the planets in the Solar System. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the Solar System, after Mercury. Named after the Roman god of war, it is often referred to as the red planet because the iron oxide prevalent on its surface gives it a reddish appearance. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, orbiting it every 224.7 Earth days. It has the longest rotation period of any planet in the Solar System and rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets. It has no natural satellite. Earth, otherwise known as the world, or the globe, is the third planet from the Sun and the only object in the universe known to harbor life. It is the densest planet in the Solar System and the largest of the four terrestrial planets. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun in the Solar System. In the Solar System, it is the fourth largest planet by diameter, the third most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It has the third largest planetary radius and fourth largest planetary mass in the Solar System. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the Solar System, after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius about 9 times that of Earth.
Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the Solar System. It is a giant planet with a mass 1,000th that of the Sun, but 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the Solar System combined. The Sun is the star at the center of the Solar System. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma, with internal convective motion that generates a magnetic field via a dynamo process. Sirius, also known as the dog star or Sirius A, is the brightest star in Earth's night sky. The name means glowing in Greek. With a visual magnitude of -1.46, the star is outshone only by several planets as well as the International Space Station. Pollux, also designated Beta Geminorum, is an orange-hued evolved giant star approximately 34 light-years from the Sun in the northern constellation of Gemini. It is the closest giant star to the Sunday. Arcturus, also designated Alpha Bootis, is the brightest star in the constellation of Boötes, the fourth brightest in the night sky, and the brightest in the northern celestial hemisphere. Aldebaran, designated Alpha Tauri, is an orange giant star located about 65 light-years from the Sun in the zodiac constellation of Taurus. Rigel, also designated Beta Orionis, is generally the seventh brightest star in the night sky and the brightest star in the constellation of Orion, though periodically it is outshone within the constellation by the variable Betelgeuse. Deneb, also designated Alpha Cygni, is the brightest star in the constellation of Cygnus. It is one of the vertices of the asterism known as the Summer Triangle and forms the head of the Northern Cross. The Pistol star is a blue hypergiant star, one of the most luminous known in the Milky Way. It is one of many massive young stars in the quintuplet cluster in the galactic center region. Arcturus is a red giant star in the northern hemisphere of Earth's sky that is the brightest star in the constellation Boötes, the herdsman. Arcturus is also among the brightest stars that can be seen from Earth. Betelgeuse, also designated Alpha Orionis, is the ninth brightest star in the night sky and second brightest in the constellation of Orion. Mu Cephei is visually nearly 100,000 times brighter than the Sun, with an absolute visible magnitude of m equals 7.6.
Vy Canis Majoris is a red hypergiant star located in the constellation Canis Major. It is one of the largest stars and also one of the most luminous of its type. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.